Ma'am, you're not free to go. Ma'am, stop. You're not free to go. If you leave, you're going to be arrested. Do you understand me? Stop the car. You caused a crash. Stop the car.
The 22nd of February 2025. A woman uses her car as a weapon against her ex-boyfriend. Officers arrive and arrest her. She faces 5 charges. This is the legal breakdown.
Win out of this. You just hit my car. I'm so happy that God.
Yo. Hey, ma'am. Please turn that down so we can settle this up. Put the park, please.
I'm sorry.
Can you turn that down, please?
I'm sorry.
Blame the devil. This is your word.
Okay, listen. This is what we're gonna do.
I'm just trying to leave with my car. You're on my
Oh,
car.
you're trying to leave, but you
Okay. Yo,
I came to get my car.
I'm just,
guys, do me a solid. I appreciate it.
Also my car.
Okay, listen. Let me do one thing at a time, okay? We're gonna get this settled.
It's
One thing at a time, all right?
Gift or no gift, legally speaking, this is my vehicle.
Ma'am,
What's wrong with you?
ma'am, hello.
I
Hey,
am trying to take
ma'am,
it.
ma'am.
Hi.
I need to talk to you. Will you please stop talking to him?
Yeah, I came back to get my
Yo.
car. Get the
Ma'am.
off my car.
Stop.
Before I remove you from
Stop.
my car.
Stop.
Dumbass.
Stop. Ma'am, take the keys out of the car so we can talk.
The keys aren't in the car.
Okay. Well, then shut the car off because you're not free to leave.
I don't give a
Okay. So, guys, I'll tell you what. Why don't you go on the other side of that car? That way she's not distracted, okay? Do you mind? You can record from over there. I don't care. Just over there. Now.
And where's James with the keys to my other car?
Ma'am?
James can't drive your car. Yes, he can.
You just throw in that lake. You can clear 33 and 25 with all parties. Ma'am?
Yeah, what's it?
You gonna talk to me and tell me what's going on?
Yeah, I will. I
Okay.
came to pick up my car.
And which
this
is
one.
This one's your car.
And then I brought my friend to pick up that car that is also my car.
Okay.
I know it seems unlikely to see a 21-year-old girl that owns more. I have 3 cars.
Okay. I'm not doubting that.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is, do you have documentation whose car this is and what's going on?
Yeah, it's in that car.
It's
And
in that
the
car.
keys are, well, I'm trying to call the person who has the keys right now because he's the one who came to pick up my other
Yeah.
car.
What's going on, man?
Were
you the one that called us?
Pretty much.
You called us? Or she?
Oh, no. That's my little brother that called.
Okay, so what's going on?
Pretty much, she bought this car for me, but she put it on her name. So, yeah, legally it's her car.
That car?
Yes.
Okay.
She had bought it for me because I wrecked my last one.
Okay. She bought this car from you.
Yeah. So basically, I ended up leaving last night with the car. Ended up leaving last night because, there was some weird shit that was going on. And so once I left, parked in here, she came over here, threw a rock on top of the car.
What was she coming over here to cause issues? What's the
She
deal?
came to pick up her car, but you still it doesn't make sense. You came to pick up your car, but yet destroy it at the same time.
Okay, so the car was here. Her intention was to come pick it up because she was buying it from you today?
No, not buying it
Or
from
she
me.
had already bought it?
She had already bought it. She bought
But the car was
for
here.
me.
The car was here.
Yes.
Okay.
She bought the car for me.
And she was coming to pick it up? Okay.
Yeah,
So
but she
what
put it
happened?
under her name.
So why is she destroying her own car?
Exactly.
Hold on, man.
Thank you. Why is she destroying her own car?
It doesn't matter.
Does it make
She,
sense?
she can do that legally.
Exactly.
What car did she? What happened? Whose car did she hit? What car
My
did she
little
hit?
brother's car.
Where's that?
So, would you like
Okay.
me to explain the whole situation
Yeah,
from my
please.
point of view? I
Please.
walk outside. All I see is I see a black man. I don't know him. I see my brother, and she just speeds off. Right. Then she circles around. My brother's standing right here. The black guy's standing right there. And I'm standing right there. And she's just like coming towards us, acting wild, acting like a fool, letting the whatever freaking demons in her head are just something,
Okay.
just letting go of her. Right. Then, for no reason at all, she just freaking pulls up and hits my car. I'm glad that she didn't like dent it, but like
So that's your car.
this is my it's not in my name. It's my mother's car.
Okay. Is your mother here?
But my mother's at church right now. She's doing some, I don't know. She's like having a church
What's the damage to the
something.
vehicle that wasn't there before she hit it?
This everything you see right here is because of her. Like this wasn't here. No, that was all there before, but this little dent right here, all these little sheets, no, it wasn't. can you please get her out the car? Like, is it illegal for y'all to pull her out without a warrant or anything? Because I don't trust this woman.
We're investigating right now, but right now the car's registered to her.
Okay.
Legally. Okay. She can damage her car. Ma'am, you're not free to go. Ma'am, stop. 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 You're not free to go. If you leave, you're going to be arrested. Do you understand me? Stop the car. You caused a crash. Stop the car. Stop the car. Take it out of gear right now. Put in park right now. Put in park right now. There's a crash right here, and you're leaving the scene of a crash. You will be going arrested for that.
There wasn't a crash.
Yes, there was. Right, I can see the damage. I can see the damage.
This is
Put
a
in
used
park.
vehicle. That's a used vehicle. Where's
Put
the
in park.
Where's the
Put in park. Put the car in park now. Put the car in park.
There's no crash.
Put.
I didn't give you permission to enter my
Don't need
vehicle.
to.
Nor, I don't.
Step
I
out of
don't
the
have
car.
to give you permission.
Step out of the
I don't
car.
have to give. I don't have
Step
to
out of the
give you
car. You
permission.
attempted to leave from a crash. Sir, guys, give us some space, okay? Please. You can record. Just give us some space. Ma'am, you need to step out of the car.
You need to step out of the car.
Step out of the car right now.
Don't make this worse for yourself.
You will go to jail. I promise you.
I will take you to jail. I don't care about your arm.
Step out of the car. She's trying to leave after a crash. Let's go. Pull seatbelt off. Get the seatbelt off. You're coming.
Get out of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. I'm done asking you.
Okay.
Get out of the car now.
Christ.
Out of the car.
Get out or you go to jail. I'm not playing this
I'm
game
about
with you.
to send you some money.
Okay, what's going on?
No, come here. Come over here.
Step over here.
You know what we're gonna do? Put your hands together.
Put your hands together.
Put your hands together. In the front.
You guys arrest for assisting.
Let's go.
What's the matter
Put your
with
hands
you?
together.
You have no right to shoot from You're going to jail for assisting. I don't care. U6, file like female stand 15.
I didn't resist. I just.
I don't care. You're assisting right now. It's on my car. U6, file like.
You don't have to hold me that favor. Actually, I think you might have enhanced my injury set.
Okay.
U6, file like.
No, it's cool. I'll just be. I'll just be
Female
getting
stand.
badge number.
Female stand 15.
You're fine. And I'll be making a statement against you.
Okay. Do you have anything in your pockets? No?
Tell me now, because when you go to jail, it's a felony for your introduction of contraband, so say no.
Well, it's not contraband. It's just my personal property. It's
Okay.
just my vehicle.
That's fine.
Where is... Look, the reason I'm saying... Is something found at the jail.
No, it's
doesn't
not.
have a felony charge.
I just told you what's in my pocket, and you're about to check anyway. So
No, I have to check
the
our
fuck?
policy. Do you have your ID?
in my pocket.
You're gonna... You know what you're getting charged with? You hit and run and resisting. Where's the ID?
It's in his pocket. Of
This
the
one?
Of the strawberry.
Which one?
This pocket. Why are you guys like deliberately acting stupid?
Well, we asked you to step out of the vehicle. You refused multiple times.
I actually never said no. I will not step out of the vehicle.
You were actually.
You actually
you were
forcefully.
I told you were not
ripped
free to
me.
leave. You were
You're not free to leave. You're trying to
I
take it
didn't
off.
leave.
Yes, you're
I-
proceeding to reverse and leave.
I stopped
you
the
were
car.
trying to
though.
leave.
I did stop the vehicle.
I
though.
told you before when I
did
showed up on
stop the
scene, you were not
vehicle,
free to
though.
leave. When I first showed up on scene,
Also,
Ownership. The subject held legal title, so the car was legally hers. But title does not authorize using a vehicle as a weapon. Detention. In Terry versus Ohio, the Supreme Court held that detention requires articulable, reasonable suspicion. Witnesses, crash damage, and a victim's statement satisfied that threshold. Exit order. In Pennsylvania versus Mimms, the court ruled officers may order any driver from a vehicle during a lawful stop. Refusal is a separate criminal offense. Use of force. Graham versus Connor requires objective reasonableness, judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. Seatbelt removal and guided extraction were proportional. Miranda. Warnings attached before custodial interrogation, not at arrest. Miranda versus Arizona, confirmed by Berkemer versus McCarty. No violation occurred here.
Ooh, aren't you supposed to be reading me my rights right about
I
now?
don't have to read your rights. That's
You're legally obligated to read me my Miranda rights. Oh, that's the other. Okay, that's another one.
Sure I don't.
Okay. Okay, that's another one.
No, I don't have to read your rights. I'm asking you
So
questions.
you didn't.
Please have a seat.
No, you just asked me a multitude of
I haven't
questions.
seen the car.
Have a seat in the car.
You 6'5", like 6'5", 27 from my 1015.
All right, so y'all are standing out there by the car.
Yeah, right. They're standing right there. I see him speed off. I see her speed off. I walk up to them, and then I see her car wrap around, and she's just heading straight towards me, my brother, and the other.
Where were you at? Show me exactly where you're standing.
You see where that car is right there?
Yeah.
I'm standing where all these like weird food patties are right here. I'm standing like right here.
And she swerved in here?
Yeah, she swerves in here trying to hit us. Not trying to hit us, trying to threaten us or whatever. I don't know. Girl's crazy. And then
Let's get her out of here.
hey, can you grab those keys off of her?
Car's getting towed.
Yep.
I need those keys. This is
Whoever's
crime
registered
scene.
to is who owns it right now.
This is a crime
Okay.
scene right now.
Hold tight real quick.
I'm gonna put the seatbelt on you.
5429 valid.
You have a piece of work.
Yeah, my vehicle.
I just want the key. Everything else is yours.
The registration of which is in the 2024 Buick and Vista that is also
You
my
didn't,
vehicle.
we didn't have to go this far. All you had to do
Yeah,
was
we
ask,
didn't, but that's
get
the
out
other
of the
thing too.
vehicle.
I would have gotten out of the vehicle if you guys weren't ripping me out of the fucking side of the vehicle.
All right, go ahead and take her, and I'll take care of everything else.
I have your phone. I have your ID.
And my keys?
The keys go with them.
Why? It's my car!
Give me a second.
What do you mean the keys go with them?
Give me a second.
What's the matter with you?
Let me ask. What? Are the keys go with her, or what's the deal with that?
See, he said something about towing the vehicle, but I'm more than willing to take the car back to her mom.
Is it her car?
It is her car.
All right, man.
Women
Hey, brother.
you want, but bro, it come.
Can I talk to you real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is that? Your sister?
No, I don't know her. That's his situation.
That's your ex? Ex-girlfriend? No, not blood related. Do you want to press charges?
Yes,
for,
I want to press charges.
for the assault.
Yes.
Okay. He came at you with the car, right?
She came at me with the car, and then she hits my car.
So make sure you get a statement from him and say you want to press charges.
Okay.
Okay.
He's which officer did I talk to?
The one with the stripe.
What'd you say about the keys?
She's gonna get that. And then that's your ex. How long have y'all been dating?
We've been dating for about like 3 months.
Do you have
3-4
any kids
months.
together?
No kids.
Talk to one of y'all about writing a report and pressing charges.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yeah, you can. Absolutely.
Alrighty.
So you want to press charges, right?
Yes.
Okay. I don't blame you for a second there. I mean, so you literally think she's trying to hit you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wouldn't
and
be
she's yelling
surprised.
something in Spanish?
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if she was actually trying to kill us or something.
Okay, but how many times do you think she backed up and went forward, do you think?
3 times.
And was she like aiming for you guys every time?
Yes.
So you
Yeah.
guys are kind of like running in, but
Yeah, literally.
okay. When she hit the car, where were you guys standing when she actually made contact with the
When she
car?
made contact, I was standing behind. I'm not sure where he was standing, but my brother was standing like near my car.
Okay.
And then she pulls in and just hits it, like just bumps it.
Okay.
You can't shoot any woman you shoot the dog.
What happened here?
Okay, so earlier on, man, like, mind you, I'm waking up to the door being banged on. So she comes to, I guess, grab the keys. But before she grabs the keys to the car, right?
Yeah.
I was like, bro, why are you even doing this? You said you bought this car for me. Why are you okay, whatever? She starts throwing rocks at it before. She said she couldn't even bust the window because, she's a girl, so she's throwing the rock. But anyways, like, she couldn't even bust the window. She threw one on top of here. And from there, man, it was just, okay, if you wanted the car back, and you're going to sit here and destroy it, it kind of defeats the purpose of, wanting the car back. You feel me?
Yeah.
After that, she ends up giving the keys to my dad. I end up living with her. We were supposed to go grab some food. On the way going up here, since I wasn't telling her where I wanted to go eat, I said, I don't care. And she's like, oh, no. Boom, punches me.
Today?
Yeah.
This morning?
Yeah. Look, all busted. She punches me.
Hold on a second. Okay.
She punches me. And after that, we finally make it there.
This
to,
is this
Waffle
morning.
House. This morning, yes. We finally make it to Waffle House. And she's just sitting here basically talking her shit. She's like, oh, just get out the car. Come on, get out the car. And we're going to go get some food. I'm like, nah, I'm not even, no. If anything, I done ate a knuckle sandwich. I'm thinking I'm full, you feel me? She hits me again, punches me dead on the nose. My nose started to bleed a little bit. And then,
So she came over, banged on the door first.
No. She did this shit
She did the damage first, banged on the door, and then she said, come have breakfast.
Yeah, like.
That's what? That's weird.
Tell me about it, yeah.
That what?
Yeah. Trust, I've done dealt with it for the last 3-4 months, man. So, yeah. She basically
I think you need to reevaluate your relationship.
I wish I could get my damn name
Just
on
saying.
the title. I've been trying.
All right, we got everything we need? Get her the hell out of here, please.
The charges: vehicle aimed at persons on multiple passes, aggravated assault established, dating relationship, domestic enhancement applies, prior strike simple battery stands, refusal to comply and attempted flight, resisting without violence, fresh contact damage to complainant's vehicle, criminal mischief, all 5 charges hold. Grathas. Officer B+, detention, force, and Miranda response were all legally sound. Deduction: delayed perimeter control and escalating command tone. Subject C: 1 valid position, title ownership. Everything after that, weapon use, flight, and Miranda misrepresentation, was indefensible. Complainant A-, consistent statement, appropriate restraint, correct use of legal process. Deduction: speculation about the subject's mental state risks credibility in court. Key lessons: title is ownership. A verbal promise transfers nothing without a signed document. Miranda attached to interrogation, not arrest. Misunderstanding this creates no violation and no remedy. A car aimed at a person is a deadly weapon regardless of speed or intent. Disputing the crash does not remove the obligation to stay. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out Street Bodycam for more.